Video for chapter 4.2 tube mount. Dimensions are in inches. Going to go to File, New, English, ANSI, Create. Go to Base View. And remember, if your correct drawing doesn't come up here, you're going to go up here and search for it to load. Mine automatically comes in because that's the last thing I've done. So once I get that in, I'm going to rotate this around, and the scale looks good. If I didn't like the scale, I could come here and change it. Anyway, that looks good. I'm going to drop in my top view, right side, and notice how this comes in kind of backwards like that. I'm going to go here and change this around. That looks a lot better, and that's the correct way it should be. And you can change everything with this cube right here. So everything looks good. I'm gonna hit OK. Again, go to Annotate, Center Mark. I'm going to click this one. I'm going to go to Bisector, clicking 1, 2, and 1, 2 there. Dimension. Drop that in. And a hole is going to have 2 dimensions. There, and the third dimension will be the size. So a total of 3. The overall height is going to be here. Put my depth back here. We have a radius corner. Don't pick the center where that green mark is. Come off of the center, pick that, hit OK. Again, same thing here. Let me try that again. Dimension, and sometimes it's better to zoom in on it. Click it, come around till you get this, then click it, hit OK. Just dropping these in. Okay, come up here and dimension this. And once if you like, you can just come out here, right click, or hit escape a couple times. And if I want to show this at 3 places to the right and increase the precision, I'm going to right click, go to precision, 3 places, and I can click that in. I can do that for any of those. Trying to see if there's anything else we need. We got all of that. We need to know from here to there. So let's go to dimension. Drop that in. And in the book, he really doesn't tell us how far this goes back. This one is cut short a bit, but you could run it all the way through. If you look at the book, he really doesn't tell you how far to go back, so that would be up to you. Go to text, come in here, store name, highlight, hit OK. This will be chapter 4.2. I'm going to highlight it, drop down, hit OK, come over here, material, colon, carbon steel, highlight it, drop down, hit OK. Hit escape twice, move this over, hold down your left mouse while centering everything up. And that will do it for chapter 4.2.